If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass Limited in diamond black crystal pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, bright exhaust tip, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6696.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.